Need to migrate data from your local drive to Google Drive, but not sure how? At HSU, we've created a tool to help. It's called Google Drive User Backup. Google Drive User Backup is a migration tool you can use to migrate your files from your Windows computer to your Google My Drive. Drive File Stream is another way for you to access your cloud files besides using the web. Once the Google Drive User Backup utility is installed and launched, it will help you verify Drive File Stream is installed, get logged into Drive File Stream, which creates a G drive on your computer, copy and upload your files to Google Drive in the cloud. Any campus-managed computer should already have Google Drive File Stream installed on it. This Google Drive User Backup utility is a Windows application. To install Google Drive User Backup, open Software Center by typing Software in the search field at the bottom of the Start menu, then select Software Center from the list. Under the Applications tab, find Google Drive User Backup and click it. You may need to search for it. Next, click the Install button and wait until the software is installed. If you click the Additional Information link, you will be taken to the Google Drive User Backup instruction page. Before running the utility, it may be helpful to read this. The backup utility can be launched from the Start menu. Bring the Start menu up and scroll down to the letter G, then click GD User Backup. The utility will launch with a progress image. Once the program is started, you will be presented with its readiness status. If you have already signed into Google Drive File Stream, you should get a green light and the backup button will be available for you to proceed. If you have not signed into Drive File Stream, click the Connect button. Once the Connect button has been clicked, the Google Drive File Stream sign-in dialog will be presented. Enter your HSU email here, then click Next. If you are a Duo or a dual authentication user, you will need to provide that second authentication method. Drive File Stream begins configuring your computer for use. The backup utility will float above, waiting for sign-in to be completed. You may click through the welcome banners of Drive File Stream, or you can just X out of the introduction, and you're brought back to the backup utility with your loaded Google Drive File Stream folders. After Drive File Stream has done some processing, the Google Drive User Backup utility will be ready. Click Backup. The utility will work its way through the list of locations to be backed up. This list is made up of the common locations that users store their files. The utility will also back up your Firefox and Chrome bookmarks if you use them, as well as the file that has your Outlook Compose New Message address autocomplete list. Once the list of files has been copied to a local cache, the Drive File Stream program uploads the files to the cloud. The backup utility indicates this in the Working On field. For the backup to work, you must wait for this transfer to complete. If you log out of your computer or turn it off, you may disrupt the transfer. If you have lots of data, you can click the Lock Workstation screen button and leave the computer to finish the transfer. When you return or want to check the progress, you can log back in using Ctrl-Alt-Delete just as normal to log in. To check the status of the transfer, you can click the Drive File Stream icon that is down by the clock in the taskbar, although it may need to be revealed from under the up arrow. Once the backup has completed, you can find your file saved to the My Drive part of Google Drive inside a folder called HSU Backup. Inside the HSU Backup folder, you will see the backup folders named with the creation date and time as the name of the folder. Inside each backup folder, you will see each folder that was in the list when the utility was started. Once you have verified your files have been copied, you can remove them from your local drive. HSU's Google Drive File Stream will allow you easy access to all of your Google Drive files on demand, when you want them and when you need them.